Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to buy an expired domain at a low price using Godaddy options on Godaddy. Expired domains can be valuable for SEO, branding, or flipping if we choose the right one. Let's get started. First, we need to open our browser. Once the browser is open, we log in. We go to godaddy.com and log into our account. After logging in, we select Domains in the upper left part. Click this drop-down and go to the options for domains. Here, we can see domains that are almost expiring, expired, or how much time is left. We select the options that are ending soon. Just click this one. Here are the results for the options that will end or expire soon. As we can see, some will expire in 14 hours. We can see this information: how many have bid, the price of the domain, the traffic, the age, the minimum bid, the estimated value, as well as the TLDs. We can see the details. We can choose here. We can place our bid here. But first, we have to click this Join option. We just need to get the plan for options. We subscribe, and then we can join our bid here. We can choose B2C, and we can also use advanced search. We can also set the time to enter. We can put the time. Once we apply this advanced search, just click play. Here, we can see lots of bidders. Once we buy or bid on this, we already have a chance to win those domains. That's how we can buy expired domains at a lower price on Godaddy. Make sure to research the domain's history and value before purchasing.